Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily manage remote RX settings in the fax settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here, let's select function settings and go to receive and forward. Now I'm gonna click on the fax settings, and right here we will have the remote RX. So let me click it. Here we have the remote RX, and we can enable it or disable it. We can also change the remote RX ID, as you guys can see. So let's say it will be 59. Also, we can increase it or decrease it, and we can totally turn it off, but then we will need to click on apply to make sure that our setting is saved. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.